Welcome to this video dedicated to Edward Hopper, one of the most influential American painters of the 20th century. Known for his evocative, atmospheric scenes, Hopper had a unique gift for portraying the quiet, often solitary moments of everyday life. His paintings are filled with subtle emotion, capturing a sense of stillness and introspection that resonates deeply with viewers even today.
The world stands still when you're not here. The sky turns gray, the void feels near. Footsteps echo in an empty town, lost in the hush of you not around. When you're gone, the air feels thin, a quiet storm that grows within. The clock ticks loud, it breaks the sound. I'm undone when you're not around. Shadows grow tall, the lights don't glow. The days crawl slow, where'd you go? Street lamps blink in their hollow beam. Without you here, I'm incomplete. When you're gone, the air feels thin, a quiet storm that grows within. The clock ticks loud, it breaks the sound. I'm undone when you're not around. The silence speaks in riddles deep, a restless ache that steals my sleep. Each second bites, it cuts, it pounds. The pain surges when you're not around. When you're gone, the air feels thin, a quiet storm that grows within. The clock ticks loud, breaks the sound. I'm undone when you're not around. The world stands still when you're not here. The sky turns gray, the void feels near. Footsteps echo in an empty town, lost in the hush of you not around.
Thank you for watching this video. If you're looking to transform your space with unique and stylish wall art, be sure to check out our sponsor, the Luxury Art Collection. The Luxury Art Collection offers an amazing selection of wall art pieces that will add a touch of elegance and personality to any room in your home. Whether you love soothing landscapes, vibrant abstract works, or inspiring photographs, you're sure to find something that suits your style. To explore all their stunning creations, click on the link in the description and get inspired. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below letting me know which wall art piece you love the most. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon in the next video.